Hi guys. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a quick little kiss pour. The paints are already pre-mixed, and so they will be in the description box because I'm not actually pouring them into the cup to tell you each individual paint. So what you do with this one is you put the two cups together, they kiss, and then the white paint comes out and the blues come out all at the same time. Now I have to admit that I need to learn better about camera angles and where my arms are going to be so you guys can actually see what's going on. I do apologize. But what ends up happening is, as you can see underneath my arm, is you get this nice, awesome, wispy look because the white paint helps break up that blue as you're pouring. I actually did a fire kiss pour as well. So, this is kind of going in with the whole fire, water, fire, ice, depending on how you want to look at it. Kind of idea. Now, as you can see near the end, my white wasn't as heavy, so then I didn't get that wispy look. So with a kiss pour, if you don't keep that, in the same, if you don't keep pouring at the same level, I guess you could say, then you don't get that same look all throughout. So it's definitely something that I need to practice on, but I'm still very happy with how this painting turned out because you can kind of see all the different colors of the blues, and it turned out really pretty. Now I did pull out my trusty blower. I didn't want to use a blow dryer, but I did want to break up those lines in the top and the bottom that I had from, when I came around. I want to make it a little more wispy, more water-like or ice-like, or however you want to call it, whichever you want to describe it. The blow dryer would have been too heavy for it, and I didn't want to do a straw because sometimes with straws, saliva can come down the straw, so you have to be very careful with that. And with a blower, the mattress blower, it just blows out the air and I don't have to worry about that. So I just end up using that. So now here I did go in the middle a little bit to break it up a tad, but I didn't have to do too much of that. I am stretching it just a tad just to see what it wanted to do. Sometimes I do let the paint kind of, just let it do its thing, if that makes sense. And then also here I'm dabbing at some of the blue paint that I didn't like. If you're very careful, you can remove some pieces. Just don't push too hard or too deep into the white base paint, and you can remove little pieces that you don't like, little spots. Then I did go in and I wanted to make it a tad more wispy down here to kind of match what I had up top. A little bit more than what a little more detailed than what the mattress blow dryer could do, the blower. And then I think I'm done. Alright, let's take us down for a wet reveal. And it dried pretty close to how it looks wet, so that was cool. I'm just, you know, this turned out very, very well. Very excited. We did use mica powders in this mixture as well as regular acrylic paints, because you know me, I love my mica powders. But I mean, look at how it just, I love this. Developed very nicely. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.